Nerida Joy Confidence Cleanser. This is my cleanser that was 3 years in the making. When I have been asked to develop a skincare line for a company, the cleanser is the most difficult of all of the products to come up with. It is really important to create the right slate so that the skin will accept its treatment serums and moisturizers after that. You can't make a slate too sensitive, so your cleanser is everything. This is what I say is 50% of the regimen. It is the step one to any skincare regimen at home. This cleanser is very, very creamy. It can be put onto a cotton round, used to take off eye makeup. This cleanser is to be massaged into the skin for 30 seconds, taken off with a warm wet washcloth. If you're wearing makeup and sunblock, repeating your step and rinsing the second cleanse off with lukewarm water is really important. It's a beautiful cleanser. I am super proud of it, and it is my first product of my line, and it's the Confidence line.